Hi there, welcome to Knowledge Seconds. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily create a box plot and also known as a box or whisker plot by using Microsoft Excel. First of all, we select our given data, then go to insert, and here we can select the insert static chart, then go to whisker plot. And when it is right, then we can easily increase or decrease the size according to using our cursor. If we want to use equally on bottom or top, then we can select from the end of the corner and easily increase or decrease the size. And then we can change the axis. Suppose that if our box is a small one, then we can directly double click on it or directly goes to the axis format, and then we can change the axis minimum value. Suppose that here we will select that 0.15, then our box become more prominent. And when we draw a box plot, then it give us a summary of the values. Once suppose that box and whisker plot is a summary of the 5 values, such as a minimum, first quartile, median, and third quartile, and maximum. If we want to calculate it manually, then we use the formulas. Suppose that minimum equals sign min, use function, select our given values, press enter. They give us a this minimum whisker values, and then the lower quartile values in bottom of the box plot box. Then it gives us the first quartile. We will calculate is by using quartile exc, and then select our given values and comma and select one. That one is a 25th percentile of the values, and this one is a quartile one. And next one is a medians, that inside the lines of the box, and we can calculate it. Select use a median function, select our given values, and then close the parenthesis, and then give us a median values. Next we will calculate the quartile 3, and by using the quartile 3 is by using the formula such as quartile axis, and select our given values, comma, and quartile third. That one is 75th of the quartile, close parenthesis. They give other third quartile values. And here we can also calculate the max of the whisker by using formula such equal sign, and by using max formula that give us the highest values of our values. And you can also see that the cross sign inside the box that highlight the means of our values. And if we want to calculate by using formula, then mean equal sign by using the average function that highlight the inside values of our box. Further we move to the next step. I will also to discuss about that outliers. Suppose that if we want to add a more values, that is the lowest one, and then its values is changed. Suppose that we will select our values and insert that, and here we can the points bottom of the whisker is known as the outliers. And if we want to measure the values of the outlier, first of all we will change our selected values such as quartile 1 and third quartile, and we will calculate the values by such as interquartile range. And the formula is that equal sign quartile third quartile minus quartile 1. When insert, then they give us a quartile interquartile range or outer quartile. They give us the values of the outer layers. And if we want to measure the outer layer values, then minimum outer range of the outer layers, then minimum signs equal, and q1 minus, we will select our interquartile range, multiply the factors of 1.5 parenthesis closed. And if we want to measure the upper limit of the quartile range, then we will calculate it. Upper quartile range equal signs and quartile third plus interquartile multiply 1.5. They give us the upper limit of the outer layers. And furthermore, if we want to enhance the beauty of our box plot, then we can remove the grid lines, select and press easily direct delete press here, or we can go to the chart, select our grid lines, goes to the chart elements, and here we can remove the grid lines. And furthermore, if we want to add the axis titles, then select directly here. And if we want to remove our x-axis titles, delete it, and then we also delete it accordingly. And we can write the y-axis titles manually, such as a colors. And we can change the font size and font. We can easily change the font size and font style according to our requirements. Suppose that if we want to change the size, and if we want the our access titles same as our values, then go and drop the axis. Then select it format printer, then draw where we want to same as 1. And if we want to write the manually of the title of our blocks and pixel plots, and here we can directly mention it. And one thing is very important: if we want to change our box plot values, then right click on the box or whisker plot, select the format data series. Then here we can change the gap width of our box plot, and if we want to increase or decrease, then you can easily observe the changes in the box. And if we want to show the all data points inside our box, then we select the show inner points. And if we want to remove the outliers, then unselect these values, then automatically outliers removes from our plots. And furthermore, if we want to remove the mean mark inside our box, then we can also unselect it, then it will also show the in your graphs. And furthermore, if we want to colors, then go to here and solid lines, and we can select the according to any colors according to our requirements. And if we want to change the outer boundaries of our box plot, then go to solid lines, and here we can change any color according to our requirements.